Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to block a member on your Discord server using your PC with the latest update. Whether it's to keep your community safe or just to manage your server better, blocking someone is a quick and effective way to maintain peace. Let's dive right in. First, open up Discord on your PC. Once the app is open, head over to your server. Make sure you're in the server that you own and want to manage. At the top left corner, you'll see the server's name. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose the option called Server Settings. This is where all of your server management tools are located. Inside the server settings, look for the option labeled Members. Clicking this will show you a complete list of all the members that are currently in your server. This is the place where you can manage individual people's permissions, roles, and yes, block them if necessary. Scroll through the list of members until you find the person that you want to block. To the right of their name, you'll see 3 little dots. These dots are the action menu for that specific member. Click on them to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Block. Once you click it, Discord will ask you to confirm your decision. This step makes sure that you don't block someone on accident. Go ahead and confirm, and the member will immediately be blocked from your server. And that's it. You've successfully blocked a member on your Discord server. Blocking ensures that the person can no longer interact with you within the server, helping you keep your space safe and comfortable for everyone else. Managing a server can feel like a big responsibility, but tools like this make it much easier. Whenever you run into behavior that doesn't belong in your community, you now know exactly how to take action. Thanks for watching.